Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and I was really interested in seeing what kind of benefits I would get from trying out collagen. So I got this brand, it's Sports Research, and it's the collagen peptides. It does have 11 grams of protein per scoop. I did like that you only needed to do 1 scoop. Right away, I noticed that it dissolves really well. I wasn't ending up with clumps in my coffee because that's usually what I add it to. It's also unflavored. That doesn't mean it's flavorless though. The flavor, it is very mild. If I'm adding this to my coffee or even my tea, I don't really notice the flavor at all. I have noticed immediately was with my nails, and they started growing a lot faster. So overall, I've been really happy with this collagen. I am impressed by all of the different certifications. It's been worth a try for me, and that's my point of view.